How do you like the colors? Do they look good? Is that sky nice and colorful? The sun's just coming up. Yes, indeed. And it's going to be a beautiful day for some. Maybe not a nice day for others. But yes, we make the best what we can do with what we got and what we can share to the world. Thank you very much for joining the show. I thank you for stopping by. Do a like, do a share, do a show. Yes, indeed. Let's get on with it and let's get going. I want to put my camera down so I have nothing to put it on. And the tripod I got, I tell you, that little bump in the middle that holds everything. And you're hearing natural sounds of the DJI Osmo Action 3. But it's only called the Action 3 and no longer the Osmo. People don't love it when I say DOA. Well, that's what it stands for. DJ Osmo Action. It's a DOA for sure. Theme. And the problem here is the DOA don't start up 1 second. No matter how many times I press, it just magically does. And I don't hear others that own the camera have any issues, or anybody out there saying anything about it. Wouldn't you want to hear something? Thanks, DJI. You gave it to us. 6-7 second press button. It works. You got the best sound in the world. You got the best sound in the world that you took these little condenser mics, chips, to put into something that make it sound better, or think so. Thank you, DJI. You came on. The mic in the DJI and the mic in the wireless mic oh man, did you just bite me? I don't know if you're going to get that. That's all I have to say right now. I'm going to get on the move. And I'm getting something that's going to be on the move. Oh yeah, man. It's going to be good. I'm going to set it up and it's going to be moving. I got some notes that I got to go read. And I got some stuff I must get done. One took all day. And it's up. Oh man, I gotta dismantle it again. That was fun. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. But it is what it is, man. So, yeah. I got a monthly report to show. And yeah. It tastes good. I wonder when it's going to show. Everything I do in video says something. No secret information, but it's all there. Yeah, oh yeah. You got video that helps you understand, oh, wow, DJI looks awesome. The things I did. And so high. How's this for my movement? Oh man, that's like gold, man. Restoration. That was on the floor yesterday. That was just basically dumped. Don't you love dumping stuff? Oh, it could be somebody's to fix up, or they just don't want to fix it up no more. Now I got blue, and I had to use light, and I'm not sure why, because it was dark, and I thought the cameras would do a good job presenting in just the amount of light. Oh yeah, I was happy, man. I was really happy, but when I went to my editor, I was struggling. I'm not sure why. Trying to figure it out. It didn't do it on the other, but it sure did on this one. I heard the same. Somebody else struggled on the opposite side. And yet, another one's perfect. I'm just like, maybe I should just go upstairs and try out. But you know what? One day, I'll get on over. It's just not going to be today. One day. So my fix to that would be from 100 down to 60. Oh yeah, I tell you what. I'm going to go back and look into the editor, the software. I'm just going to lower the proxy down even further. Oh man, you're so distorted. I didn't shoot that type of distorted video. No, it'll all come out crisp and clear. And that's what this editor does. I don't know all the words, but I got an attaboy. Oh yeah, man, it was so high. And when I read that letter, ooh man, put a smile on my face. Thank you, and you know who you are. Thank you.